Hello, it's Yang Long from the Bachelor of Marketing. Today I'm going to present about the marketing analysis technique for challenges in the electric vehicle industry, which is also known as the EV industry. So what is the EV vehicle? It is a green car that consume less fuel, that enable to reduce emissions, and rechargeable and power with electric motors, and also known for its renewable energy sources. It is estimated that the electric vehicle in use worldwide between 2010 and 2014 by type is 58 million, including the hybrid vehicle. And for the EV challenges industry, there were several challenges, and the first one would be the lack of charging infrastructure. And despite growth, the pace and distribution of chargers is still uneven, contributing to consumer concerns about ease of use. Where there were 40 million electric vehicles, excluding the hybrid, and there were only 3 to 4 million charging infrastructure. So the solution will be the hierarchical logistic regression analysis, where it helps marketers understand and quantify how charging infrastructure, perception, and demographic interact to shape the EV adoption. There are 5 steps, where the first one will be to identify the key predictors of EV purchase intent, then to quantify the effect of infrastructure, and finally able to segment markets geographically. Then they will be able to evaluate the effectiveness of marketing messages, then finally predict future adoption under different infrastructure scenarios. The second challenge will be the high vehicle cost, and the reason for it is due to its high expensive battery technology, advanced electronics, limited production scale, and costly raw material. The solution will be to use the association rule mining using the a priori algorithm, where it helps to identify cost-driving feature patterns, optimize product configuration, support pricing and segmentation, and finally improve the decision-making. The third challenge would be the consumer perception, trust, and purchasing intention. And even though the EV car technology have improved throughout the years, many customers have still been adamant to convert their internal combustion engine vehicle to EV due to the reliability, battery duration, resale, and real environment benefit. As you can see in the graph, the USA had dropped 3% from 2024 to 2025, where the Europe had dropped 7% from 2024 to 2025. The solution would be to use the K-means clustering on our RFMP variables, where the group's customer with similar behavior to identify key segments and tailor marketing strategy effectively. And there were 4 steps. The first one would to be to identify the trust gap to detect customer with low engagement or satisfaction. Then to improve the targeting, they will need to send personalized trust building message to each segment. Then to guide the marketing, tailor campaigns by customer type and preference. And the last step is to boost the retention, that is to act early when engagement starts to decline. Here's the summary of how the solution helps to solve the challenge. The first one, which is the hierarchical logistic regression analysis, where it helps to target the market. And the association rule mining using the a priori algorithm is also the same, that is to target the market also. And for the K-means clustering on LRFMP variables, it helps to segmentize the market. And that's it for the presentation. Thank you.